Hey everybody, it's Bucky back again here with another video. We're going to take a change on the channel for the next few videos. I got a new GoPro for Christmas, the GoPro Hero 10, and I was able to get my hand on some of the accessories, and I want to do some quick unboxing videos for you and see if you like them. And I hope you enjoy them. They're going to be pretty fast, maybe a couple minutes each, and then we'll move on to other videos. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the media mod. I'm going to unbox that. So let's get to it. Let's start by taking a look at the packaging. So we got a black box. It says 9 up here, but then there's a sticker here that says it's compatible with the Hero 10. So that's pretty good. They should just change the box so that it shows both cameras. All right, so here on the side we have minimal branding, limited lifetime warranty, some instruction stuff in the back. It includes the media mod, the removable windscreen, a vertical mounting buckle, and a thumb screw. Here it just says compatible with the Hero 9 Black, but we know from the front of the box that it's compatible with the Hero 10. There's an interesting warning on the front of the back of the box. It says, warning, not waterproof. I think that's pretty interesting given that the whole thing about GoPros is that they are waterproof. So let's take a look and we'll see inside. I have my trusty slice ceramic knife here. Let's open the box. So here we have a box inside of the box. First we get to some, looks like a instruction manual on how to use the media mod. Then we get the limited lifetime warranty. And here's the media mod itself. So it's kind of encased in cardboard packing here. And we have, looks like a little mounting bracket, mounting clip. Really well in there. This is the kind of the plastic one. We have a thumb screw here. Inside we have the windscreen. And then here is the media mod itself. It's made of a nice plastic, has some rubbery covering over the buttons and over some of the flaps. On the top here, we got the little kind of a button here. We have a mount for accessories here. This is the door. Looks like the door opens pretty easily. There you go. Bottom. And then the side. Right here is the microphone. And then kind of here's the back. I guess this is the back microphone here. So it looks pretty cool. So there you have it. This is the GoPro Media Mod. Let's see if I can close it. Yeah, I can. So this is GoPro Media Mod, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Just a quick addendum here. Just want to show you that it has some ports inside. I think this is a mini HDMI port. Here we have a USB-C port. And this, I think, is probably the audio jack. Each of them is covered by this like plastic, rubber flap kind of to protect it while it's closed and not being used. And if you look inside a little bit, there's a USB, looks like port here as well, kind of to put into the side of the GoPro. Alright, so that's about it. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.